Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be doing a thrift flip with this black normal looking t-shirt that I don't need anymore. So first, let's just get started right into this. So I'm just gonna cut a chunk, well not really, about like 4 centimeters of fabric off from the t-shirt from the bottom, of course, and let's just enjoy this very satisfying montage of me cutting and snipping away on this black t-shirt. So I am deciding to make the t-shirt into a Brandy Melville inspired button up cardigan slash t-shirt slash top. Honestly, I don't know what it's called. I don't know any Brandy names, but I like their clothes, so yeah. And after you are done slicing a chunk from the bottom to make it cropped, or you don't have to make this cropped, is your choice, cut another slip from the middle, but you're just gonna cut down right in the middle. I would advise to use some rulers or some stencils for this part so you don't cut off center, because honestly I'm just eyeballing everything. So as you can see, I cut everything. I have 2 flaps now. It looks like a cardigan, but we are not done yet. Now you're gonna fold over the sides, because we're actually going to hem the sides, because we don't want our t-shirt to start fraying, you know what I mean? You don't want to just start wearing it and then your t-shirt just comes off, in public. That'll be very sad and embarrassing. Hopefully that doesn't happen, but yeah. So as you can see right now, I'm just folding over the sides that I cutted, and as you can see, it has a very odd trim. So right now I'm just taking my flat iron to flatten down the sides, so that when I do hem it, it gives me a very precise line of where I actually have to sew. As you can see, I'm just pressing it down. I think I also burnt my fabric a bit, so yeah. Okay, so this next part is shown the hem. I just hemmed it. I know it looks really ugly, but I'm hand sewing, so that's how my hem looks like. Next, you're gonna have to grab some thread and some buttons, and you're basically just gonna sew it onto your shirt. And then on the other side, I just basically cut a slip so that it can thread through the buttons. I hope this is nice to explain, because I didn't really show this part. Okay, so yeah, this is how the final product looks like. I am totally in love with it. First of all, I can't afford any shirt because I don't have a job. But yeah, this is how the shirt came out, and honestly I'm so happy with it. I couldn't even tell that I made it, unless if you go up close, like the threads and stuff is super messy, because again, I hand sewed it. But if you have a sewing machine, it'll make your life 1,000 billion gajillion times more easy. So this was a Brandy Melville inspired top. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. Goodbye.